The timeline of life, Rahu and Ketu's clock. Rahu and Ketu don't just influence, they track time. Their reverse journey through science takes 18 years. Your karmic orbit. Reverse nodal returns at 9 and nodal returns at 18 years are milestones, spiritual checkpoints, biological markers. What is the significance of 9? Why is gestation 9 months? Why do life shifts happen at 18, 27, 36? They are karmic subharmonic frequencies coded into life. Stop fearing Rahu Kala and understand its message. Rahu and Ketu are not obstacles, they are timelines. Use them wisely. Follow Prashna Siddhi and rise above fear.